am finally back for a Slay Sunday again. It's been a while since your girl said that. Happy spooky season, happy October. Your girl, since there are 5 Sundays this month, your girl is going to give you guys 5 looks, especially since I've been slacking on my Slay Sundays. You know, life has just really been lifing lately, but I'm really in the mood to do these creative looks for you guys. So I'm going in with my Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette, and I'm taking that kind of white shade in the palette, and I'm taking my angled brush, and I'm just creating like a thick eyeliner wing with the eyeshadow. And this look really isn't too crazy, honestly. Not that complicated. I'm just doing my interpretation of what I think SpiderGwen would have makeup-wise, since her costume is red, white, and black. I wanted to incorporate those in the look. So I'm taking that red eyeshadow in the palette, and I'm just applying that to my lower lash line. And next I'm just taking my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, and I'm basically applying my eyeliner on top of the white shade. I wanted a nice kind of thin, sharper eyeliner, which is why I'm using the liquid with that felt tip, because I didn't want that to take away from the thick white eyeliner, essentially, that I did with the shadow. And there are the wings. It really is helping bring the look together, but now I'm just going in with my good old Essence mascara and my lashes. And I bought these little fake piercing studs off of Amazon because Gwen has that eyebrow piercing. It was funny because Garnett, after seeing me with that, he's like, you should get that. And I'm like, no, that's not my journey. I'm so sorry, but I'm glad you like the look. And now for the lips, since again, Gwen doesn't really have makeup like that, I'm just doing like just a natural gloss. So I'm taking my brown lip liner and then my clear gloss on top. And voila, there is the finished look. I really liked how this wound up turning out, and you really just get the vision once everything's on. The wig, the hoodie, all of that. It just really gave me the vibes, and it made me want to watch Across the Spiderverse again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this first spooky edition Slay Sunday, and I'm gonna be back next week with another one. Bye, you guys.